Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here in the Dollar General with another quick tip for entertainers. That's right, this is a special spring steak container. It's the beef and chicken bouillon containers. It's the perfect diameter. It's easy to empty. You just take this out and empty it out, and then you have to put some sort of color inside, and it's just a spray paint or something like that, and that way you would have your own custom spring steak can. It's about the same size as the M&M containers we talked about before, and those will hold 3 of the smaller spring steaks, or the medium-sized spring steaks. So there it is, your custom spring steak container at the Dollar General. Anywhere you find Dollar General, you're going to find these things, and you'll be able to make your own canisters. Those of you who've been with us before, thank you very much for coming back. Those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and you'll get all the updates. Thank you again. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time.